Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, what I'm going to be doing is walking you around the installation that we've carried out on this brand new Honda E. What we've upgraded this particular vehicle with is a brand new Thinkware Q800 dash camera solution, front and back, plus with what's called an I-Volt battery. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. In terms of this solution, it's a perfect example of an installation carried out completely professionally inside workshop environments here in Cambridge. If you're interested in something like this or adding a dash cam to your vehicle, you know where to come. Hit the subscribe button, drop us a line, all of our contact details are below. In terms of this system, it's called the Thinkware Q800 Pro. Basically, it's a 2K front dash camera as well as a rear dash camera. Basically, the brain of the camera system is at the front, that's why that's slightly bigger. And then we've got the rear dash cam, which is very, very small, which is just providing a video image directly into that camera. What we've done on this particular install is actually wired everything into the fuse box, and then we run a rear camera lead all the way back and mounted the rear camera on the rear glass. In terms of this system, it actually records while the vehicle is parked. So obviously this vehicle is filled with technology. That's why your installation always needs to be carried out by a professional. In terms of this solution, we've added in what's called the Thinkware I-Volt battery. Basically what this system is, it allows the dash camera to record safely off the vehicle and without having any draw on the vehicle's battery. So as you drive along, you will charging up the I-Volt battery. As soon as you park up, then the dash camera uses that to basically be powered, and it works very, very effectively. So if you're going down to the shops or hopping down to Waitrose, for instance, what happens is then that will then record in your car park there. So in case you get a dink or a dent or anything like that in the supermarket or even at home or wherever you're parking, you know your vehicle is protected with a dash camera solution. So not only you're protected your asset while you're driving down the road, but you're now also protecting your asset while it's parked and when you don't have your own eyes on it. So perfect solution if you're looking to add in a dash camera to the vehicle. We do quite a few other options. If you're based further afield, not to worry, lots of people travel from all over the country to us. Drop us an email, explain where you're from, and then what we'll do, we'll send you over a breakdown of a price list of all the different options that we do. So this system installed as well as other solutions that we do for 4K dash cameras as well. And we can go through all through that over email or over the phone. We go through all the technical details, or if you are local to us, pop by, sit down with us and we'll go through everything with you. But thank you very much for watching this very short video and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.